Sir, good morning, good morning. Gonna take you through a POV here. It's around the 7 a.m. I'm just getting my steps in. I always like to move in the morning, either cardio or just steps. And yeah, it's really good to do before eating. Also, it's a hack to read a book while walking. It actually really helps blood flow to the mind and stuff. But yeah, gonna finish up steps, gonna show you guys breakfast and all of that good stuff. Gonna hit sick workout. Might include 2 days here, but just showing a POV. And yeah, let's have a productive day here and take you guys through as you guys enjoy to see behind the scenes. And it's good stuff to see what I do on a daily basis and, you know, just the reality here. So let's get it. And yes, sir. All right, breakfast setup. We got 2 eggs, 170-gram egg whites, 70 grams of oats, put in some cinnamon and a little bit of honey. And yeah, this is breakfast of champions. And yeah, I measure out my foods here. And I'm always changing the numbers at the moment, increasing it. And yeah, look forward to eating this. First meal of the day, let's get it. All right, guys, action plan for today. I like to, set out an action plan here. And it's to keep it simple, stupid. This week is interest rate week here. So big week for the US. And a whole lot of stuff can happen or absolutely nothing. Could be just kind of boring. It's very possible that it's all been priced in already. And we could see, effects happen a little bit later. So it's very important to be adaptive this week, and that's going to be key. Me as a price action trader, we trade what we see. So we can be very adaptive, which is a very powerful thing to have in trading, is to be adaptive. So about to hop on my London live stream here. So if you don't know, I stream London session on YouTube here. So about to hop on that and get this trading day started. Looking forward to it as always. And let's get it. Here's the position taken. We're going to break it down on the charts here, but took the position, managed some, and then closed full. It's been a rough, last week was pretty rough for me. I took 2 losses in a row. We'll discuss a bit about that. But now, recovering those losses and yeah, for the month here, doing all right, after recovering those losses up a little bit. So let's continue with this and let me go break down the trade. All right, so here's the trade here. Pretty clean option. Setup 1, I'm going to explain how this all played out here, but yeah, beginning of the month was pretty good. Had not massive trades, but small trades in the beginning of the month and kind of, start of your month secure here. And then I got hit last Monday pretty hard. Took 2 losses in a row, one during London session, stop loss hit, full stop loss hit, 1% gone. And then I took another stop loss hit in NY session. And that was 2 losses in a row. Rarely happens. And then I only got a small win here on stream. So you can see GP was correct, but I closed half only, could not manage, right? And it was only a small win, so didn't make back for these losses. And this was a really tiny push, was only like a 6 pip push. You can see the percentage made on that was 6 pips only, and doesn't matter the pips, but only 0.25% on that, which was really, really small. And then for the rest of the weeks, then I caught some nice sells in NY, GU sells full risk. I caught some gold buys full risk here during the all-time high phase, and then today's trade, which I haven't put in here yet, but we're explaining it here live. So today's trade, and then that brought my month back up. So I had to recover the losses and then bring myself back in profit. And that's reality of trader. Not every start of the month can go smooth. Now I'm really looking to push. We have profits to play with. Basically once that, that you can't be scared of drawdown. You can't really put yourself, and people start to get stressed once you start to go and draw down, like, I can't make money this month. This week I'm negative. Like last week at the end of the week, except for gold, but I was ending my week like minus 1% with those 2 losses coming back to back, and then just no positions, chart not giving me anything. But I didn't sweat because it's a long-term game. I have statistics. I have, probabilities that I've run. I even show this live on YouTube stream so you guys can see that, how I can trust my ideas long term. So I want to run a small 30-second clip of the trade playing out live, and then we're going to explain it. Entered on that myself, stop loss below 15, trying to go up. It does want to go up. It does want to react off this zone, but it keeps on failing. Oh, damn. No 1 minute pullbacks. Probably going to close here, hitting TP. You know what? I closed there full. That's it, done. So that was the trade that we took on live stream. So you can kind of see how we had to hold drawdown and how it was, not the easiest trade here. So what happened was I wanted to enter this trade here with the idea that today we're bullish. The reason we're bullish is that we had previous daily here breaking highs, and we are more bullish than bearish at that point, since we're breaking previous daily highs and there's a small bearish candle close. This is what I call a mixed session bias. So it means we can look for both buys and sells, but we had a beautiful higher low on the 4 hour here. here. Higher low with closing above the range, clean candles towards the left. Only this 4-hour little resistance zone we had to watch, which is where my drawings were, and you can see my buys came above that. So when we move down to the lower time frame here, 1 hour time frame gave a big push up. I don't really want to buy into these highs and then have to hold a reversal, so I wanted some form of pullback to get an entry. Now, when the 1 hour candle opened, it actually opened with something called no top wick, which means 90% of candles will make a top wick or bottom wick. You can see most candles do have wicks. This did not. So with everything pointing bullish, closure above the range, which is my setup one. If you guys are interested in my entry setups, please check out my YouTube channel. I have all the explanation for all the concepts I'm talking about in this video on my YouTube channel. All the videos are there with my setups and stuff. So setup one on 1 hour. But what I did is I was trying to be a little bit too smart, I would say, is that I bought the bottom wick here before it flipped, with the idea that the 1 hour should flip, push me in profit and make a top wick. I bought it a little bit early as there was no 5-minute candle close bullish yet. I was looking at it retesting and rejecting the top of the range here. It was a little bit early, put me in drawdown, and we just got back-to-back 5-minute candles not closing bullish. Came pretty close to stop here, as you guys probably saw in the replay. We finally formed a 5-minute candle closing bullish, and that was the catalyst to continue. So if I look back at this trade, probably just wait for the full retest and take the 5-minute candle closing bullish here. Would have been a lot better to go towards the upside. We then reached my break-even point, which was the 15-minute resistance, blasted through that and went and hit TP. Now, this candle opened no bottom wick on my broker. So once we came to my entry here, my idea is that I was supposed to manage at my entry here. Now, I had pre-programmed closing half here, so I ended up closing half at my entry here. Management came a little bit sweaty as it was moving very fast. These are 1-minute candles, and yeah, managed to get out of half. And you know, it was just an uncomfortable situation, because the same way how I have no bottom wick and I'm waiting for a top wick to be formed on 1 hour, there's a chance that this could just retest back into one of these supports here, lower time frame supports, and then fail, and I end up getting back into SL here and lose the trade because there was no bottom wick made. So if there was a bottom wick made, I would just trust it to continue. That's why, hence the management. Again, leading me into a smaller win, which personally, on my personal standpoint as a trader, and this is what people need to be sharing with you, the actual journey, as you could see, you know, and explaining to you that as a personal standpoint, yes, I am winning a trade, but it's not good enough for me because I didn't manage it how I wanted to manage. I should be in full risk. This should be another full risk win. Bring me even higher P&L for the month, because if I take another loss, then this is going to be, that loss is going to be bigger than this win because of the way I managed it, which is not a good habit long term, which I know that already, and I'm not worried about it because I expect to win most of the time, and I do. But the problem is we want to be as profitable as possible and really maximize opportunities and positions on the chart. Remember, I trade in a sense of trading quality, not quantity. So I will give myself less chances, but they're higher quality setups. So I need to make sure that they are actually paying full all the time. So that would be my feedback towards this trade. But the idea played perfectly, did up running absolutely massive here. If I held full position here, would have given me a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. You can't really say that, as max target here would have been at a 1 to 1.7 at daily resistance. But if you just trailed your stop loss, I wasn't expecting such a big push, to be honest. But I can see how 4 hour has big range. I was not really, this week is a big week in the markets. We have FOMC on Wednesday and GBP USD being a USD pair. I just wanted to take what I could get. That was the plan, being adaptive this week and not being greedy. Taking what we can get is super, super important here. So yeah, I hope this trade little breakdown has helped. And yeah, let's get on with our day. And yeah, let's kill it. All right, time to fuel up now. And my next 3 meals are going to be chicken and rice. I want beef and rice, but I have all of these laid out and I cooked my rice for the day. And that's it, man. I'm going to show you the chicken and rice meal. So with my chicken and rice, I'm going to add a bit of Nando's and actually some ghee here. I know that sounds really weird. It smells rancid, but pure ghee, really good testosterone production. And just as a fat source, it's really, really good in low amounts and low quantities. So check that out. And yeah, let's get it. All right, finished up there. And yeah, just outside catching some sun. And yeah, that's the power of being a trader. Is like once you're done in the morning, that's it. Don't be a hostage to the charts. Don't be a hostage to the charts. Do not sit there all day trying to make more money. That's not how it works. More time at the chart does not equal more money. That's how it's worked for me. I've never made more money spending more time at the chart. So don't be a hostage to the chart. Go use this time wisely. You want to go relax. Or if you're like me, want to get shit done, want to keep leveling up, go work on different projects, different things you want to be doing, and use this time wisely. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go work on some of my projects. As you guys know, we have stuff like Pip Labs, our backtesting software, and all of that good stuff, right? And it could be personal stuff, investments, or whatever you want to work on, and that's it, man. But yeah, get out. If you have a sunny day, get out, catch some sun and enjoy it. And yeah, that's how we're gonna go. So catch you soon. All right, pre-workout meal ready here. I have cream of rice, 80 grams, some chopped up banana, mix some protein powder and some cinnamon in this. If you want to get this consistency, you need to put the right water ratio, and it's whatever cream of rice times 3.5. Then you have to microwave it a special way, but I don't think you guys are interested in that, but I'm gonna get this down. It's a pretty good meal. If you haven't tried, probably give it a go. It's pretty nice. Just sent in a Loom recording to the guys in the exclusive group here for New York session. Since we have New York session, I stream London, but for the guys in exclusive, we do New York here with our chat and all. So what's very interesting this morning here, GBP USD absolutely still continue to rip. So we need a deep pullback to continue this move. Majority of the move happened from this morning, and that's going to be the plans leading into this. Now, I send these plans into the group every day. Just part of my routine, helps me plan for NY, and all the guys in the exclusive get to see the plans and discuss that with me, and we can chill in the NY chat and trade as a team, man. That's part of having a community. So interesting plan. Always plan your sessions. That's the reason I'm filming this segment, to talk about planning your sessions. Never come to the market without a plan. It's 1 hour till New York Open here, and I'm already setting up a plan, making sure I'm prepared. I will not deviate from that plan, as that is what I set now. I can't change that, right? So this is very important in the process, is to make sure you're coming with a plan that you won't change. Guys, just hopped in the car now, on my way to the gym here. Gonna run a push workout today. Gonna take you guys through the workout, something a little bit different, run through the exercises. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's get in there. I'm gonna drive there now, and let's go.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no armor. That like Tetris.
Alright, we're pulled up here. Gonna go get inside now. Hit a nice little chest workout. Friend is here, gonna help me film so we don't have bullshit filming. And yeah, let's get it.
You don't know me. Is that my fatty? You don't know me. Okay, hey now. It's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground.
All right, so we just finished 3 sets on the pec deck. Now we're gonna hop into some presses, pre-exhaustion on the chest, and get a big one. So let's go run this. I'll film the top set and show you guys. All right, so we just finished up the presses there. Did 2 sets, 1 top, 1 back off. That's how I work out. So I do a top set as heavy as possible, back off a little bit lighter but more weights. Gonna hop onto a flat press machine now. 3rd chest exercise. So we pre-exhausted chest with flies, did a compound lift, and now we're gonna hit chest on a flat to overall do it. So let's get it. Just did Smith. Now we're gonna finish off with some shoulders and run you through the shoulders. Lateral raises, 3 sets. I'm gonna run that. So let's get it. chest here, bit of shoulders. Now gonna finish off with some arms and dips. Gonna run those 2 clips for you. So again, 2 sets, top set, back of set, simple stuff. And yeah, let's get it, man. Right, we made it out the gym, successful workout, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it, learned something, try it out. And yeah, that's basically the video here. Gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it this far, do the YouTube business, leave a subscribe, a like. Always posting value, and I hope you guys can benefit from that. Let me know if you like these type of videos. We can keep it rolling, different workouts if you guys enjoy the workouts and stuff. And yeah, let's keep it going. Best of luck with your own trading. Yes sir, Tradesharpe, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.